Hey people, Joe's cracking me up. But went down to Al's Trains and Hobbies yesterday. Interesting hobby store. Kind of compact, but hey, you know, a lot of stuff in there. Had some decent prices. We picked up some grass. Oh man. But got some, they call it medium green bushes, but I call it moss. We'll be putting that on the mountain. We'll be putting the grass on the mountain. The pine trees, you know, Joe got those, I think, what, 6 of them? 6 of them for $5. So we threw those on there. These pine trees, go on the internet. Can I say eBay? Oh, I already did. No? Yeah. Okay. But go up on eBay. They got them up there. You can get like 20 of them for $5. And they're a decent looking pine tree. And we put those pretty much everywhere. When you go up on eBay, since I can say that, look for lots. Put in lots. L-O-T-S. Lots of trees, lots of pine trees. You get a better price. Like I said, 20 of them for $5, and that includes shipping. So that was a pretty good price. Now we're going to get into these guys. Out here we call them cattails. But I call them HO train layout fields. So we're going to do that to the train board. When you collect these, they're usually along the side of the road, swampy areas. They're like frickin' everywhere. But make sure you collect them on a good, sunny, dry day. Reason being, these were collected when it was raining. You can see the difference in the fluff. Fluffy, not so fluffy. So shoot for the fluff. A lot better. We're going to try to dry those out and maybe we'll use them somewhere else. But we're going to go for the fluff. And at this point, how you're going to do that, I don't know why I sit in this chair. Well, it's not a chair, it's an ottoman. But how you're going to do that, take your glue bottle, put yourself down a real good bead. Okay, got your glue laid. What you're going to do is just grab a pinch. Make it about a 1/2 inch long. 1/2 inch, 3/4. Pinch them together. Cut it. Make sure you got a good sharp pair of scissors. And right there is what you're looking for. Because now you're going to take that and just shove it in your glue. Now it's okay if you get some long ones in here. Like I said, see that base? That's going in your glue. Kind of make them straight. You can groom them once the glue dries. I like using that glue because it dries clear. Glue guns, they're good, but the glue dries crystal clear, and you kind of see the glue. So with the yellow glues and the white glues, like I said, you don't see nothing. Just glob it in there up against the rocks there. Push it in. It's coming out looking pretty good. Yeah, you can bring it out further if you want. But like I said, we're up against the mountains. That's another thing to look on the internet when you're looking for your mountains. Look at the base of them. See what's at the base. I like doing this cattails here because it looks so realistic and it's real easy to do. And guess what? It was free. They don't even sell this stuff in the stores. I think if I could harvest it, I'd probably make $1 million. Hey, don't be taking my idea. You're gonna have to cut me in for 30%. Alright. Don't worry about what it looks like, just get them straight. Because then after the glue dries, we're going to take the vacuum cleaner to it. Pull out all the ones that didn't stick. But like I said, shove it in there pretty good. Move it around with your finger. Get the different heights. See how that one's sticking up? That's pretty cool. Give it some depth. Plus there's stems in here. Look like the trees got chopped down. I don't know if Joe can get one of those, but maybe I can cut one and show you guys. No. Trust me. When you cut them, you'll see them. Alright, let's go a little taller over here. Like I said, different size, 1/2 inch, 3/4. Keep it in scale. Alright. Another thing you do, you don't have to do it all the way through. You can put gaps here and there. You can see I put that one gap in there. Shove it right in there. Now I'm really gonna put a tall one in there. This is like at the end of the cattail that you can use. Like I said, that's all free. So what you just paid for the trees, pine trees, and the moss kind of balanced itself out. So now your cost is even less. Going kind of tall over here. It's real marshy down here. Another thing that you want to watch out for is that you don't get glue on your thumb when you're pushing your clips into the glue, because it gets real sticky. So always keep your thumb clean. But alright. Oh, yeah, said it. That is not today's word. Is it, Joe?
No.
Okay. Today's word is going to be okay. Okay. See how that just blends in?
Okay.
Okay. Pretty cool. Alright, let's go for a really mean bunch here. Let's see how that's going to look. Ooh, look at that. What do you think of that, Joe?
Like an old dead tree.
What? Alright, so you pretty much got the thing for the fields. We're going to probably come back and do some grass. This grass. Till then, we'll see you next time.